and welcome to another instrument choice support video. In this video, we'll show you what's in the box for the IC-PM Particulate Matter sensor. This portable particulate monitor will output particulate matter measurement for PM10 and PM2.5 simultaneously and in real time. This sensor is perfect for indoor air quality monitoring, construction dust monitoring, monitoring transport emissions, smog monitoring, community exposure studies, and air quality model validation. The PM sensor head uses a laser and optical sensor to measure light scattered from particles passing through the laser beam. The sensor head also compensates for humidity by way of an onboard humidity sensor. In the box, you receive a calibration certificate, the sensor. This is to be used in conjunction with a Series 200, 300 or 500 handheld meter. These are sold separately and linked in the description. On the sensor is an air inlet under the cap and an outlet on the other side, and the area to connect the sensor of the Handheld 200, 300 or 500 series unit. Getting started with the new sensor is easy. With the device off, plug the sensor into the top of the handheld unit. It simply presses into place. As the sensor comes pre-calibrated, all you need to do is turn on the meter and start taking measurements. Watch us measure PM2.5 and PM10 using this meter in a video here, or watch us set up the Series 200 sensor here. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.